Okay friends, in continuation with this problem, here in first part of this problem, we have calculated length of tangent, length of curve. With respect to length of tangent, we have come across chainage of T1, chainage of T2. In figure you can see this is chainage of T1, chainage of T2. Means we know the chainage of this point. Now by using this chainage of T1, T2, length of tangent, length of curve, we will be calculating the ordinates by both the methods. First one, offsetting from long chord method. In this long chord method, the total length we consider it as a long chord. Long chord. Considering the half of it, L by 2 is equal to R sin delta by 2. Yes, considering the half of this, half part of the curve. R sin delta by 2. R is known, given in a question, 200 meter. Delta is the deflection angle. By substituting this, you will get L by 2 value, that is 76.54. Okay. Now we have a formula for offset from long chord, that is OX is equal to root of R square minus X square minus root of R square minus L by 2 its square. Here if X I have taken 0, then X will be 0, and here R square, only R square minus 0. So square and root will get cancelled and it will become only R minus root of R value, that is 200 minus L by 2, whatever the calculated value. If I take X as 0 and substitute X is 0 and substituting R value, L value, you will get O0 as 15.2. This is also called as mid-ordinate. Okay. In the same way, next offset interval, ordinate interval, 10 meter, next 10 meter, that is O first, or you can write it as O10. So entering the value of X as 10, you will get 14.97. Similarly, next ordinate 20 meter, 30 meter, 40 meter, 50 meter, 60 meter, 70 meter. As you can see, here to here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, like that. Okay, like that I am going to draw an ordinate here, so that I can reach T1 point. Similarly, in right side, as with help of these ordinates, I can plot a simple curve. This is what the first method, offset from long chord method. Similarly, when I go with the second method, offset from chord produced. Offset from chord produced means here you need to consider a curve with chords. Based on the length of curve, the number of chords are divided or defined. First chord from the beginning of T1, it is called initial chord, or we can call it as first chord, and in between these are called normal chords, and last one is called last chord. Okay, here normal chords are having same length, whereas first chord and last chord are having different lengths. With respect to chainage of T1, with respect to chainage of T2, the initial chord, normal chords and last chords can be calculated. As here see, length of first chord, if I consider 30 meter chain, if I am using 30 meter chain in the sense, what is the chainage of T1? 1756.36 meter, which is calculated here. 1756.36 meter. This is divided by 30. This is divided by 30. 30 in the sense one chain length 30 meter. So you will get this value in terms of meter. In terms of meter, that is something you will get here 58.5 something. That is nothing but 58 chain plus 16.36 meter distance. Okay, 16.36 meter distance is how it is? It is 30 minus of 16.36. That gives the length of first chord. Yes, if I consider 30 meter, 30 meter, 30 meter, 30 meter, normal chord will be 30 meter, 30 meter, but initial chord will be 30 minus 16.36. That is 30 minus 16.36. This will be the length of first chord. Okay, length of first chord. Like that, I will find out the final chord now. What is T2? The T2 value is 1913.44 meter. 1913.44 meter divided by, I am using 30 meter chain. So divided by 30, I will get 63 point something. That is nothing but 63 chains, 23.44 meter distance. Yes, this is the last chord. So I have taken directly as length of last chord, that is 23.44. It means here it will be 23.44, in between 30, 30, 30, and here it will be 13.64. Together, here to here together, it should become length of curve. Length of curve 157.08 meter. Okay. Yes, if I know the length of first chord and the last chord and intermediate chord, I can calculate directly the ordinates. Let us consider chords C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, last one C6. C1 is first chord, C2, C3, C4, C5 in intermediate chords, and last one is C6. Taking with the O1, first ordinate. If I consider here and here, it will be first ordinate. C1 chord, first initial chord is 13.64, its square divided by 2 into 200. This is the formula. Substituting the values, you will get 0.47 meter as O1. Like that, O2. O2 is, the formula is C2 divided by 2R into initial plus next one. That is C2 divided by 2R. Initial is C1 plus next C2. Initial is 13.64, next is 30. So 30 into 30 plus 13.64 divided by 2 into R. Substituting the values, you will get next ordinate. Okay, like that. Next, O3. O3, here it will be C3 divided by 2R. Here C2 plus C3. C2 plus C3, the length of C2, C3, C4, C5 will be same. Because the chord length assumed is same here. 30 meter, 30 meter, 30 meter. Hence, O3, O4, O5 are having same length, same substitution and same answer. Here comes last one, last ordinate, that is last chord. O6 is Cn minus 1 plus Cn divided by 2R. Cn is nothing but C6. C6 is 23.44. 23.44 in bracket, 23.44 is Cn. Previous to that it will be 30. So divided by 2 into R. We will get 3.13 meter. Yes, like that, by method of chord produced, by production of chords, you will get different ordinates: O1, O2, O3, O4, O5 and O6. Yes, with these ordinates, you can plot a simple curve here. Okay. Yes, these are the two main methods: offset from long chord and offset from chord produced. This is a formula for chord, long chord, and this is a formula for chord produced. Okay. I hope this is clear. Let's just go through this. Yes, friends, see here, you can see this one more example which is a similar one. The point of chainage here is given. The two tangents are extended at meeting at one point. Two tangents are extended and meeting at one point, and this point of intersection has a chainage of 1190 meter and a deflection, making a deflection angle of 36 degree, and a simple curve is formed with a radius of 300 meters and ordinate intervals of 30 meter. Okay, 30 meter chord intervals. By knowing these four given things, I have to form a simple curve. Just here, this is point of intersection chainage, deflection angle, interval and radius. Let us start with the length of tangent. What is the length of tangent here to here? The length of tangent is r tan delta by 2. R is known 300 and delta is known deflection angle. You will get 37.48 meter as length of tangent. Sorry, 97.48. This is length of tangent. 97.48. The length is 97.48. 1190 minus 97.48. I will reach T1. That is chainage of curvature or chainage of T1. 1092.52 meter. This can be written in terms of chain and in terms of meters, so that I can calculate initial chord. How? 1092.52 divided by 30 meter chain divided by 30, you will get 36 point something. That is 36 chain, and the further part is in terms of meter. I have written 12.52 as meter. Now to get initial chord, I have to subtract it from 30 interval chord. Okay, 30 interval chord. 30 minus 12.52 will get 17.48 meter. Here C2 similarly, C1, after that C2, C3, C4, we can consider it as a 30 meter. Next, length of curve. What is the length of curve? This is length of curve here. The length of curve is equal to r delta pi by 180. So we know r, we know delta, we know pi value, we will get 188.5 meter. Length of curve, that is 188.5 meter. This is 188.5 meter length. After that, in between intermediate chords will be having same length. So last chord, to calculate last chord, we need to calculate chainage of T2. Chainage of T2 is chainage of T1 plus length of curve, will get, will reach chainage of T2. Chainage of T2 is 1281.02. 1092.52 plus 188.5 is length of curve, which can be written in terms of chain, that is 42 chain plus 22.02 meter. This 21.02 meter is length of last chord. Okay, length of last chord. You just see this. You just see this C1, C2, C3, C4. Okay, once the initial chord, intermediate chords and final chords are calculated, then directly going with the ordinates. First ordinate O1, C1 square upon 2R is a formula. You put C1 value, that is length of initial chord. Length of initial chord. Substitute the value, you will get 0.5. Yes, take this diagram. Like that, ordinate 2, C2 divided by 2R, C1 plus C2. C2 is second chord, or it is called normal chord. C2 is 30 meter, C1 is previous one, 17.48 plus 30 meter divided by 2R. You will get 2.37. Like that, O3, O4, O5, O6. Since C2, C3, C3, C4 will be same 30 meter. So, substituting the value of C2, C3, C3, C4 same as 30. That is why we will get 3 meter throughout the ordinate. Last ordinate is O7. O7 is last length of last chord is 21.02 meter. 21.02 meter, and previous one is 30 meter plus 21.02 divided by 2 into R. You will get 1.79 meter. Like that, O1, O2, O3 up to O7 last ordinates can be calculated here. Okay. The same ordinates can be plotted and make simple curve here. Okay. Is this clear? I hope this is clear, and go through this, and this is what the two linear methods of plotting a simple curve. Okay. One from chord produced, one from long chord method. Okay. With this problems, we have completed linear methods, and in further recording we will go with the angle methods. Okay. Thank you.